Magandang tanghali po Pilipinas, Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. At syempre, ito na naman po, Kompletos Recados. Kami po yung mga kasama. Ako po si Dennis Antenor Jr.
At ako naman po si Bien Dacler.
Maganda ang pag-uusapan since it's Thursday ngayon.
Yes.
Pag-uusapan natin ang batas. Syempre, kasama natin si Attorney Pogi. Anong i-introduce mo na yung ating
Syempre,
attorney?
si Attorney Mark Christopher Tolentino.
Yan.
Yes, hello po.
Ang pogi-pogi ni attorney ngayon, ano?
In
Di ba
red,
yun,
no?
Hindi nyo ba nararamdaman yan?
Very foggy in red.
Oo.
Red meaning available.
Why? May vlogging na nagaganap.
Red is available pala.
Ganun ba yun?
Available ka ba, Attorney Mark?
Yes, yes.
Searchable siya, Papa Dens.
Ah, talaga?
Oo.
Wow.
So,
ano ba inaanap mo sa isang
ikinukulik
babae, attorney?
Basta.
Puntahan niyo yung Facebook ni Attorney Mark. Okay,
Mabilis mahanap.
maganda pag-uusapan natin ngayon, ha? Baka kayo marami na tayong mga balitang nababasa, na balitang napapanood, mga narinig. Yung mga salitang, siguro napanood nyo na yung words na search warrant. Yan, di ba? Meron pa, yung katatapos na eleksyon.
Katatapos lang.
Checkpoint.
checkpoints.
Yan.
Yes.
Seizure.
Seizure.
Yan, yung mga ganyan. Ngayon, pag-uusapan natin ngayon yan.
Yes.
Okay, maganda pag-usapan natin yan.
pag-usapan.
Okay, unahin muna natin na attorney yung checkpoint, okay lang?
Yes po.
Okay.
Ano?
Okay. Pagka ikaw ay nasita, pagka ikaw ay nagbabiyaheng ganyan, ako madalas umuwi ako ng probinsya, attorney, madalas eh. Pagka ikaw ay napadaan sa isang checkpoint, ikaw ba ay obligadong ako alam ko sarili ko na wala akong daladala, wala akong kasalanan, malinis ang aking
Yes.
kasi yung sasakyan namin, actually araw-araw ko dala yun, family car yun, malaki. Oo, malaki. Ngayon, obligado ba ako na tumigil?
Actually, nakalagay sa ating salikang batas and also to the Philippine jurisprudence na yung mga police, yung mga military, they are only limited to visual search. It means hanggang mata lang ang search nila. Hanggang sa mata lang. Bawal sila pumasok, bawal sila na i-record yung mga tao na nasa sasakyan na palabasin. Kasi
Okay.
visual search lang. Assuming they force you to open the trunk of the cars, then may shabu doon, may illegal or unlicensed firearm, hindi siya ma-admit as evidence. Ang tawag dyan sa ating saligang batas is a fruit of a poisonous tree. When I say fruit of a poisonous tree, even though that item is illegal per se, that cannot be admitted as evidence against the owner of the car. Kasi nga, na-violate yung right to privacy ng every individual.
Kasi nga visual lang ang sinasabi ng batas.
Yes, ma'am. Hanggang visual search lang. Unless you waive your right to privacy, assuming pumayag ka na, okay, just open my car.
Search it. Bahala kayo.
Pag
Ganun.
ganun. Pero pag you're not waiving your right, bawal silang maghalughog. Assuming they force you to halughog, then may nakita silang illegal substance that cannot be admitted against you. Ang tawag dyan, fruit of a poisonous tree. And ano yung fruit of a poisonous tree? Kasi nga,
Parang nursery rhyme lang yun.
yes po, that fruit of a poisonous tree is actually based on a British jurisprudence. Okay, kasi po, ang nakalagay sa isang libro na nabasa ko about British law, the sanctity of a person's home is a time-honored hallmark of a free society. Okay? So,
Yes.
yun ang pinaprotect natin, yung
Yes.
sanctity ng isang bahay.
Yes.
Yung car mo is an extension of your house.
Yes.
Okay?
Oo.
So, sabi pa ng batas, your house, how simple it may be, is your castle. Okay? So, if yung hangin pwedeng pumasok, yung ulan pwedeng pumasok, but the King of England cannot enter your house without a search warrant.
Ayun.
Kasi ganyan ka-sanctity,
Ako
ka-sacred
payag ako na
yung bahay niyo po.
papasukin yung king of sa bahay.
Basta may dala siya.
Ang sabi po ng libro na nabasa ko is just to emphasize
Yes.
na yung bahay mo is a very sacred place. Okay? And you are only the king of that house.
Okay. Pag sinabing visual, attorney, pagka nag-request sila na yung what do you call that? Yung
Hahalugugin.
parang
I-check.
parang yung lalagyan sa harapan ng kotse. Ang tawag doon, nakalimutan ko na.
Trunk?
Trunk.
Hindi, truck sa likod. Yung parang mini...
Ay, yung dashboard.
Oh, yung
dashboard,
sa
yes.
dashboard sa ilalim, di ba
Oh, yes
meron
po.
ganun?
Yes.
Paano pag nag-request yung police na paki-open po yung dyan sa dashboard na yan, may titingnan po ako.
Pwede mo sabihin, hindi pwede. May search warrant ka ba? Kung wala kang search warrant, hindi pwede. Except, pag yung mukha mo may something something doubtful sumukha mo. Okay? So, namumula yung mata mo.
Oh.
Or parang high ka sa drugs.
Yes.
Of course, may probable cause na yung police na you are committing any crime.
Okay.
So, pwede nang halughugin yung...
Pero may mga taong talagang mapupula ang mata, attorney.
Of
Inaantok.
course, pag
Inaantok.
based lang sa experience ng isang police, pag yung suspicious yung look mo, the police already has a right to open the car.
Ay, naku, relative na masyado
Okay.
yan. Ano?
Okay.
Attorney, paano yan?
Oh, yun nga. So, kailangan i-prove ng police. Yung police ang may
How?
obligation to
Yes,
prove
oo.
na suspicious yung look ng isang tao. Na,
Okay,
Okay.
sabihin na natin na sandali lang ha.
Sige po.
Sabihin na natin na nagduda yung pulis. Okay, nagduda yung pulis. Tapos sabi niya, namumula yung mata mo, namumula. Yung pala lumabas, talagang pula lang yung talaga yung mata niya o inaantok talaga siya.
Yeah.
Pwede ba ako magdemanda?
Pwede. So, assuming na pula lang yung mata mo, then you are not in drugs, you are not...
And my favorite color is red.
Hindi
Talagang
ka
umaabot hanggang
sabog.
mata.
Hindi ka sabog sa droga.
Yes.
Then, the police force you to open the trunk and yung kotse mo may puno pala ng shabu. Yung shabu na yan, hindi yan admitted as evidence.
Ay, ganun?
Okay.
Yes. Pwedeng kunin yan sa state in custodia legis. It
Okay.
means ng custodia legis, kunin lang yan ng government natin because it is illegal per se. But it cannot be admitted as evidence against you because that is a fruit of a poisonous tree and nakalagay po sa ating saligang batas, exclusionary rule. Any evidence obtained in violation to your right to privacy, right against unreasonable searches and seizure cannot be admitted as evidence in any proceeding. Hindi lang judicial, legislative, any proceeding. Hindi yan ma-admit as evidence.
Yun nangyari doon sa Alabang Boys, attorney.
Parang
Ang
ganun.
hindi pa yata nakarating ng pulisya, binuksan na yung mali yun.
Mali po yun. That's why, dami pong mga suspect na acquit because some of our
Technicality.
police officers violate their constitutional
That's
right.
right.
Okay, pero kunyari, talagang ang alam ng pulis, meron doon. Paano niya sasabihin? Paano niya huhulihin? Paano niya, kunyari, may iba na yun eh. Talagang isuspecha niya talaga, mukha talagang adik ito. Talagang kilala ko to as adik. Sabihin na natin ganun. Hindi pa nga lang, wala pa nga lang kaso.
Wala pang kaso, yeah.
Pero kilala as adik to. At alam ko na meron doon.
Meron
Anong pwedeng gawin ng pulis? Pwede bang imbitahan yan sa pulisya at doon i-search?
Yung search kasi ng isang police, kailangan based on probable cause. Not because lang na
Nakilala o minabalitaan ka.
reputation ng isang tao, the drug addict siya, pwede nang halughugin yung kotse niya, pwede nang halughugin yung bahay niya, hindi pwede yan. Kasi nga, yung saligang batas natin, protect and even give full guarantee to privacy to every individual. Every individual, kahit suspect ka, kahit
Oo.
Filipino ka, o kahit foreigner ka, may proteksyon na nakalagay po sa ating saligang batas.
Okay.
Or kahit na guilty na na drug addict ka, protektado ka pa
Kahit
ng
guilty
butas.
po, kasi nakalagay sa ating saligang batas that every person is presumed innocent
Yes.
unless proven,
Proven
guilty,
guilty.
beyond reasonable doubt.
Kailangan
Yes.
beyond
Yes.
reasonable doubt. Okay, attorney, paano naman yung sinasabi nila doon sa Alabang Boys? Kailangan, ang sabi yata ng judge, dapat pinaabot nyo muna ng pulisya, yung police station, saka doon yung binuksan.
Yes po.
Pwede na yun.
Pag ganun, kailangan kasi pag yung police station, hindi pwede na buksan sa on area.
Oo,
Pero kailangan nga pag bukas at the time na arrest or na doon sa checkpoint ba yan, kailangan na may probable cause yung police. Kasi nga limited lang sila sa visual search.
Ano yung probable cause na yun?
Yung
May report,
may basihan.
may follow-up na
May basihan.
operation.
Hindi kailangan na may report, kailangan may basihan. Bakit kailangan i-open? I-open yung trunk ng isang kotse or
Duda.
Hindi pwedeng duda lang.
So, anong klase pong basihan yun?
Text
Kailangan-
message.
Hindi po. Kailangan may report. Okay?
Report.
And kailangan yung report immediately on the search. Kasi pag may time sila, they have the time to get a search warrant from the judge.
Yes.
Pero pag, ang exception kasi against warrantless search, kung yung mga search na walang warrant,
Warrant
pwede
of
yan,
arrest,
pag wala ng
Ay,
time na makukuha ka ng search warrant. Assuming within 3 hours, may nag-report na may drugs dyan, pwede na yan. Okay? May probable cause. But pag may time pa, for assuming may report na in 5 days may drugs dyan, of course, kailangan ng search warrant from the judge.
Failing to comply with the search warrant,
Any evidence obtained cannot be admitted as
ay,
evidence.
yun naman pala yun,
Ganun.
Hindi ba alam ng mga pulis yan, attorney?
Unfortunately, yung mga police di alam yung
Ay, naku, ano ba yan?
constitutional right natin.
Yun yun.
Kaya
That's why
windang-windang eh.
That's why maraming na-acquit.
Na-acquit,
Correct.
oo.
Sa technicality.
Yes,
Yeah.
on technicality because some of our police officer violates the constitutional right of every accused.
Okay.
Tapos ini-state pala yun, ano? Sinasabi dapat ng pulis yun na
Yes,
ito
po.
ang karapatan mo, ito ang mga
Oh,
karapatan
yeah,
mo.
under rights.
Failing to comply,
It cannot be admitted as evidence.
patay. Oh, dapat alam ng
Kaya
pulis
dami-
yan.
Yes, dapat lang.
Oo.
Kasi sila yung gumagawa niya.
Yes po.
Oo nga.
Searches
Anong purpose ng Bill of Rights? Actually, some said na, ano yung Bill of Rights na yan? Bakit kailangan yan?
Sabihin.
When in fact na pag wala yan, that's why maraming na-acquit ng mga criminals
Correct,
because of that.
Oo.
Sabi ng ating constitutional commissions, kailangan yung Bill of Rights to balance yung authority ng government natin at saka liberty ng every individual. Kasi kung super powerful yung government natin, may abuse na.
Yes.
That's why i-balance
Okay.
natin yung liberty ng every individual and the power of the state. Yun ang tinatawag na free society because we are in a democratic government.
Oo, demokrasya. Oo.
Demokrasya.
Oo, pambirang demokrasya.
Oo nga eh. Parang
Yan ang
question
problema
natin.
Hindi yan ang ano eh. Di ba sabi nila, we're too much free.
Tama, I agree.
Actually po, sa nakalagay sa ating 1987 Constitution, kasi before the 1987,
Yes.
even high government officials can issue search warrant. Okay? Even the high generals, high officials of the military or police officers can issue search warrant. But under the 1987 Philippine Constitution, only member of the judiciary can issue search warrant. Okay? But yung search warrant na yan, yung judge can only issue search warrant pag may probable cause. Ibig sabihin, may basihan. After examination, kailangan i-examine muna ng judge yung mga witnesses or yung mga complainant. And yung search warrant, kailangan particularly describe the place to be searched and person or thing to be seized.
So kailangan may probable cause. Bakit yung iba, attorney, ang bilis maglabas ng search warrant?
Yun nga. That's why nga, dami niya acquit na mga tao, mga accused, because of the technicality.
Okay.
And kailangan, for example, yung search warrant, nakalagay doon, house number 156. Okay? But yung na-search, house number 5.
No.
Then may nakuhang mga illegal drugs, it cannot be admitted as
Ay, ganon?
evidence. Yes. Kailangan kasi yung probable cause, yung search warrant, must particularly describe the thing to be searched and place to be searched. Pag na-violate yan, it cannot be admitted as evidence because
Okay.
that is a fruit of a poisonous tree and it violates
The
the
privacy.
exclusionary rule principle of the 1987 Philippine Constitution.
Okay.
So, kahit na nahulihan yun, tapos sabihin natin na it's another case, attorney, ito yung gagawin kong basehan na pagkuha ng search warrant, it's another process.
Yes po.
Pero sabihin natin, ibang case na yun. Kunyari, technicality, medyo na-dismiss. Pero as policeman,
Yes.
gusto ko nang gamitin yon as probable cause sa pagkuha ng search warrant. Pwede na po ba yun?
Pwede ka kumuha ng search warrant.
Pero another process na naman
Another
yun.
process.
Tapos another search na naman.
Yes, another search.
Yun.
Kasi
Okay.
po,
Kuha mo ba yun, Ferdy? Very good. Ganun
May
pala
ligtas
yun.
ka.
Oo. So, pwede ka pala. No? Yung mga nanonood sa nakikinig sa atin, dapat alam nyo to.
Oo.
kasi this is your
Your
right,
right eh.
your human rights. Kasi most of our police officers, in fact, I am a part of the AFP. I'm a reserve captain, but some of the
sundalo ka pala,
officers
Oo nga, reserve.
violate our constitutional right. That's why kailangan natin ipaalam sa mga officials ng government, particularly the police and the military, that mayroong constitutional right ang every citizen, in fact, every people here, residing here in the Philippines.
Pagka may reklamo ka, gusto mo magdemanda, sino dinedemanda mo? Yung policeman, yung police station, or the PNP, or the government?
Yung mga agency, the government cannot be sued.
PNP.
Yes, yung office, yung mga individuals. Police
Individuals.
officers, you cannot file a case against the government.
Okay.
Nakalagay sa ating batas yan. Because the government cannot be sued without its consent. Kailangan pa yung government magbigay ng consent bago mo siya idemanda.
Same with the president.
Yes po. That's why the president cannot be sued.
Oo nga. So, pagka nag-file ako ng complaint at nagsampa ako ng kaso, dapat doon sa pulis na, or kahit na ilang pulis sila, pwede ko ba idama yung hepe nila?
Pwede.
Kasi sa kanya galing yung
Yes po,
ano.
yes po.
Sa kanya yung-
Pwede,
O sa-
pwede natin idemanda.
command
Command,
responsibility.
oo.
Command
Pwede
responsibility.
natin idemanda administratively or then pwede na tayo mag-file ng, for example, dinimanda kayo ng police. For example, possession of illegal drugs.
Yes.
Pwede kayo mag-file ng motion to quash the petition.
Oo.
Okay? To motion to dismiss the petition on the ground that all the evidence wherein based on that complaint cannot be admitted as evidence because that is a fruit of a poisonous tree. So therefore, pag walang evidence, so anong purpose ng kaso? So it should be dismissed. Di ba po?
Yes.
So kailangan i-dismiss yan on the ground na walang ebidensya kasi lahat ng evidence na present yun ng court cannot be admitted as evidence because that violates our saligang batas.
Pagka gano'n nagsampa ka ng kaso, magkano mapapanulunan mo dyan? Depende.
Depende po yan sa halaga.
Sa halaga ng sinerch.
Kasi I have a case right now, actually nanalo ako sa isang kaso na yan. Yung kliyente ko,
Papizza ka, ano?
Burger, burger.
isang
pizza.
yung isang kliyente ko,
Pizza!
yung isang kliyente ko po, bumili ng ulam.
Uh-huh.
While buying a food, yung police, inaresto siya.
Okay.
On the ground na may possession daw siya ng drugs.
Okay.
Of course, I filed a motion to dismiss the case on the ground that lahat ng nilagay, for example, it was planted or even though it was not planted kasi may drugs na nakalagay po sa damit niya, it cannot be admitted as evidence kasi on the ground that first, walang probable cause ang isang police officer to seize or to search the body of my client.
So, hindi pwede yung
Kasi-
chismis-chismis at may nag-report.
Kasi, yes, my client was just buying a food.
Oo nga, oo.
And buying a food is not a criminal case.
Correct.
Yes.
So therefore, walang basis yung police officer to search or to seize the body of my client. That's why the court dismissed the case on the ground that walang evidence.
Magkano na panalunan ng
Ano pa?
May cash ba yun?
It was a criminal case and it was for pro bono.
Okay.
Pro bono 'yun.
Pagka mga ganyan mga kaso, attorney, sabihin mo sa amin, ibabalita na. Kasi hindi na yan, maganda yung balita yan. Okay, may tanong ka dyan?
Pero ito pa, may tanong ako. Yung sinabi nyo kanina, attorney, tungkol dun sa mga ebidensya na hindi pwedeng, kumbaga hindi siya admitted dahil walang search warrant. Saan napupunta siya? Ano nangyayari doon?
Yung mga evidence, assuming if it is illegal, pag legal, yung evidence na yan, is always sa may-ari. Pag illegal, it will be taken in custodial legis ng government.
Okay.
But it will be destroyed by the government, but that cannot be returned kasi illegal nga yan.
Illegal.
But it cannot be admitted as evidence.
Okay.
Hindi yan ma-admit as evidence because that is a fruit of a poisonous tree. But please take note, yung mga illegal search and seizure under our saligang batas covers only abuses by agents of the government like police, NBI, police officers. What if yung search ginagawa ng isang security guard? Okay? Or isang package, when in fact, isang private courier. Si Juan de la Cruz nagpadala ng isang package from Manila to Mindanao and yung package na yan, yung laman shabu. Of course, na-search ng isang private courier.
Yes.
Ang question, yung nasa laman ng box na yan, can it be admitted as evidence? The
Yes.
Supreme Court said yes. Because yung Bill of Rights natin, nag-protect lang ng private individual against abuses of the government. Yung private individual yun eh. So therefore, there is no violation of our Bill of Rights. There's no violation against our right to privacy guaranteed under our saligang batas kasi nga, it's a private individual. So therefore, yung mga evidence na nakuha ng isang security guard ng isang private courier can be admitted as evidence. But please take note, may isang decision ng sa Supreme Court na isang letter. Okay? Love letter ito ng isang doktor. A letter from yung isang kabit ng isang doktor. Na search ng wife ng doktor. Yung mga love letters. Question, can it be admitted as evidence?
Yes.
Sabi ng doktor na it cannot be admitted as evidence kasi walang search warrant yung wife ko. Sabi ng Supreme Court, yes, the Supreme Court said that letter cannot be admitted as evidence because that violates the right to privacy of of the doctor.
Even though that's the wife.
Even though the wife is a private individual, it cannot be admitted as evidence because that is a fruit of a poisonous tree. So, moral lesson, yung right to privacy natin covers abuses or right against unreasonable searches and seizure covers abuses against the police officers, against military officers or agency of the government, and against the wife.
Against
Moral lesson, huwag na kayo mag-love letter, mag-email na lang. Pwede bang ang private individual mag-request sa isang police ng search warrant para i-search yung kapitbahay namin?
Pwede. But kailangan yung search warrant, hindi yung police officer ang mag-issue, yung judge. Okay?
Ah,
Only the
okay.
member of the judiciary can issue a search warrant.
So, pwedeng itago kung sino man yung nag-request ng search warrant.
Pwede.
Just to protect the ano.
Yes po.
Ah.
Pero kailangan yung search warrant, only a member of the judiciary can
Judiciary.
issue a search warrant.
Tapos, ang pwede lang bang mag-search ay mga otoridad lamang?
Hindi. Pwede nga private individual.
Pero kailangan ng probable cause.
Yes po.
Okay.
But of course, yung private individual cannot enter into your house because that violates your right to privacy.
Pero part of my body is ano, di ba?
Yes,
It's also
part-
my...
part of the privacy din.
Hindi. Kasi gusto kong itanong, sa mga mall,
yes.
sinesearch tayo ng mga security guard.
Kinakapkapan niya, oo.
Hindi ko alam kung may probable cause sila kung sa ano. Pero every time na may pumapasok yung mga customer, sinesearch eh.
Yeah.
Sinesearch eh. Meron ba silang karapatan na i-search kami? Tapos, meron ba kaming karapatan din na tanungin sila kung anong probable cause nung security guard na yun? At kung may nakita sila sa amin, drugs, sabihin na natin, drugs, pwede bang gamitin yun as ebidensya na magsampa ng kaso sa amin?
Yes.
Pero bago mo sagutin yan, attorney,
Yes.
magbe-break na muna tayo.
Yes.
Gusto niyo malaman kung ano sagot doon, no?
Maraming pumupunta ng mall
Kasi
eh.
lahat ng mall nagsasearch ng mga
Yes, oo,
gwardiya.
eh. Including the bags, Papa
Meron pa
Nel.
isa, yung mga babae, sinesearch ang mga bag.
Yes, yung bags.
Oo, naku, gusto
Parang
malaman yan.
privacy din kasi
Diyan na
yan.
muna kayo, magbabalik po ang Kompletos Recados. Magbabalik po kami.